As a national immigration debate continues, one little girl knows all too well how difficult the journey for children to the U.S. can be.
I can't say enough is how brave Emma is.
Emma walked for a week and a half from her native El Salvador to the southern border in 2016 at 11 years old. She traveled without family, seeking refuge after gang members began stalking and threatening her.
There was this man that was following me. He said he was watching me.
She was followed daily by a gang member who would point at her and make gestures towards her and say to her 2 more years, which we believe, and she and her family believe to mean that he intended to make her a gang girlfriend. And her family felt very strongly that she would be raped or killed.
Emma was detained in the U.S. for 2 months before being reunited with family in Spring Valley. Then her removal proceedings began, but legal services of the Hudson Valley, who helps people who cannot afford an attorney, stepped in. Lawyers in the Spring Valley office were able to get her asylum so she could remain in the U.S.
And I can't say enough about the work that Antonio did. He really gave his all to this case.
To me, it's the best case I've ever worked on. It's gotten such a tremendous outcome. I mean, her courage and her strength is it's real. And I think that she was able to do something that most adults would have so much hardship and trouble doing themselves.
Now lawyer Antonio Smith is working on getting Emma permanent residency.
So I want to thank Emma for standing up and for standing with us and sharing your story. It's so important, and I think you'll be an inspiration to so many more people.
Senator Carlucci recognized LSHV's work on Emma's case and the important role they play in helping all victims of violence, securing them $70,000 in grant money.
We're here to thank him for the 2nd year of funding that allows us to provide representation to victims of domestic violence, victims of gang violence, sexual assault, and rape. Without Senator Carlucci's help, this office in Rockland County, our Spring Valley office, would not be able to handle these types of cases.
We're thrilled that she's here legally, and we would like to continue to help people in her situation.